Good afternoon, and of course to our viewers. Definitely a very brief court appearance. So we saw the 50-year-old accused, Mr. Ishmael Ramos Nangi, making his first appearance here at the Tembisa Magistrate Court. He was wearing a black sweater, slim-looking, tall man who appeared, very quietly, and started off by just greeting the rest of the court before proceedings started. Of course, he's a lawyer representing him, that being Mr. Kelvin Maile. So it was a very short appearance. It was really just to make everything formal, but his lawyer making it very clear that his client is innocent. They do not understand the charges, saying that he is a businessman in South Africa and in Mozambique. He owns several properties and a trucking business. We also spoke to his wife, saying that they are shocked, they are left traumatized, and they're seeking answers, saying that none of the charges brought against her husband, of course, at this juncture, she didn't want to share her name or, give us an interview, but she did speak to me, saying that she does not want to be mentioned on the public domain as yet. But she said she was shocked by what happened, by the arrest. Also saying that the so-called SIM cards and bank cards that were found in their home, saying but those are their own. It's the family property. They use that for their various businesses, both in Mozambique and in South Africa. She's saying that her husband has never committed a crime. We've also heard the very same in court, his lawyer declaring in court that he's a first-time offender. There are no priors, there are no pending cases. The wife also, of course, just confirming that. But she did confirm that about 3-4 years back, the police did approach the family. They wanted to arrest her husband for similar accusations, saying that he's involved in a so-called kidnapping network in Mozambique. She's saying, but at the time they could not find enough evidence, and the whole matter was then let go. They're shocked now that it was actually brought up, and they were not even aware that there was a warrant of arrest that was already issued as far back as July 2022, of course being last year, saying that they were not even aware that he's being investigated in Mozambique. She also said that he's no fugitive. He was not, hiding from law enforcement. They shocked that police did not actually just approach him and tell him or brought him in for questioning, just so that they understand that police are actually looking into this matter. His lawyer, Mr. Maile, reiterated the very same, saying that they don't understand what is happening here. They know him as a businessman. He does not break the law. Him also, and in the same breath, while he's saying that his client is innocent, saying that they're planning to oppose the planned extradition. You would know that, of course, the Mozambican authorities want him to be prosecuted in Mozambique. So that matter is still outstanding, and that is actually one of the reasons why the case was postponed, because the extradition that is not yet brought before the court, the magistrate, Karine Brits, saying that that particular matter is not suited for this particular court. So there's also the possibility that the case will then be moved to a higher court, perhaps next week or at a later stage, in particular dealing with the extradition. But Mr. Maile, his attorney, saying that they are going to oppose this. They feel that his life will be in danger should he go to Mozambique.